Good morning, Miss Aisha. Thank you for your time. Today, I, Alifa, as the General Manager of Infinity Edge, I'm very pleased to present the acquisition of Fusion Tech Company by Infinity Edge Company. As we know, our two companies have great potential to complement each other and create significant added value for all stakeholders.
Good morning. Thank you again. I'm Aisyah, the General Manager of Fusion Tech. Please just start the presentation.
Okay, next. Okay, here the presentation agenda that I made. Let's move on to the next slide. Before that, I will introduce our company. Infinity Edge Company established in 2010 with a vision to become a pioneer in innovation within the field of technology and digital service. Starting as a small team focused on software development, Infinity Edge Company rapidly expanded its operation to include integrated technology solution, business consulting service, and digital infrastructure management. Next. Then the Fusion Tech company that we will as acquire founded in 2015, Fusion Tech company began as a small startup specializing in developing innovative software solutions for business. Over the years, the company expanded its capabilities, incorporating advanced technologies such as artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and IoT. Today, Fusion Tech Company is recognized as a leading provider of integrated technology solutions in Indonesia and beyond. Next. Okay, why does Infinity Edge Company need to be acquired? Because Fusion Tech Company will get the following. The first, expand market reach. The second, increase market share. The third, strengthen competitive position. The fourth, accelerate growth. The fifth, access new technologies.
I agree with Alifa. This expression is in line with Fusion Tech Company long-term vision to become a market leader in the technology industry. By joining forces with Infinity Edge Company, we can accelerate our expansion into new market, increase our market share, and strengthen our competitive position.
Okay, next. Next, financial benefits. From a financial point of view, this acquisition is very attractive. Our analysis show that the cost and synergies we can achieve amount to $340,000. In addition, the project increase in revenue in 3 months is $3 million. This will significantly increase shareholder value.
What about the valuation of the company? Is it in line with the intrinsic value of Fusion Tech Company?
We have conducted a careful assessment of the valuation of it. We believe that this valuation reflects the long-term growth potential of the combined company. Okay, next. Following the acquisition, we will immediately begin the interrogation process. The first stage is to form an integration team consisting of representatives from both companies. This team will be responsible for drawing up a detailed interrogation plan, including system integration, combining IT, financial, and human resource system, cultural integration, building a strong and inclusive corporate culture, operation optimization, identifying opportunities to improve efficiency and productivity.
What about potential cultural conflict between the two companies?
We recognize the culture difference can be a challenge. However, we have identified some steps we can take to address this, such as conducting cross-cultural training programs and involving employees from both companies in the integration process. And of course, every business transaction has risks. Some of the risks we may face include integration risks, failure to integrate the two companies effectively, regulatory risks, change in regulation that might affect the business, market risk, economy fluctuation that might affect the company's performance, and mitigation strategies. And of course, every business transaction has risks. Some of the risks we may face include integration risks, failure to integrate the two companies effectively, regulatory risks, change in regulations that might affect the business, market risks, economic fluctuation that might affect the company performance, and mitigation strategies. We have identified these potential risks and have developed a comprehensive mitigation plan. For example, to reduce integration risks, we will engage a third party that has experience in conducting mergers and acquisitions. Next. In conclusion, the acquisition of Fusion Tech Company by Infinity Edge Company is a very important strategic move to achieve the long-term goals of both companies. By combining our strengths and resources, we can create a bigger, stronger, and more innovative company. I strongly believe that this acquisition will provide significant benefits to all stakeholders. I recommend that you approve this acquisition. Next. Okay, now we open the question and answer session. If you have any question, please go ahead.
What about the impact of this acquisition on the employees of Fusion Tech Company? Will they be fired?
Thank you for the question. On the contrary, we see this acquisition as an opportunity to provide more opportunities for employees. We are committed to retaining as many employees as possible and will even open up new career opportunities. However, we realize that there are some positions that might overlap. To that end, we have prepared a restructuring program that will ensure a smooth transition for all employees.
What about the debt of Infinity Edge Company? Will it be a burden to the combined company?
We have conducted an in-depth analysis of Vision-Tech company debt structure. Most of our debt has short maturities and will mature in the near future. We have developed a plan to manage this debt efficiently, including impossible refinancing.
What about the long-term plan after the acquisition? What is our vision for the combined company in the next 5 years?
Our vision is to become the market leader in technology. We will focus on product innovation, market expansion, and improving operational efficiency. We are confident that by combining the strengths of both companies, we can achieve this goal.
Well, I had enough of this expression. Please send a detailed proposal regarding the acquisition to our company.
Sure, thank you for your attention, Miss Aisha. We are very enthusiastic about the prospect of this cooperation. We are confident that with the spirit of collaboration, we can achieve our common goals.
I believe in you and I am very optimistic about the future of our joint company. Let us work together to create a brighter future.
I think we all agree that this is the right move for the future of our company. I believe we can build a bigger and stronger business together. Thank you for your time, Miss Aisha. Good morning.
I also thank you for your presentation. Good morning.